Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Over here in the garden today with the family, and we just did a partial harvest of the sour cherries from the one tree, and we actually decided to stop because most of them aren't even fully ripe yet, and I mean, even here you can see we picked a few that were probably a little underripe, but yeah, there's still like a ton left. And we also picked a partial harvest of the currants. Again, this is just from that one bush, and you know, you can see here in the corner, I'll play a quick little video. There's still a ton left. We just didn't want to pick the unripe ones, so we're gonna have to come back in a couple days. We'll give this another few days. It's really hot. It's gonna be hot for the rest of the week here, so yeah, it should really help these ripen up. And you know, it's just something that, you know, I love sharing the harvest videos with you guys, because I can't emphasize enough the difference in taste and just, like, you know, I'm sure health wise too, like the minerals and vitamins and things that can be found in things that you grow in your own yard. It's a world apart from the stuff you would buy in the store. You know, a lot of things that you buy in the store are picked unripe. They're shipped, you know, they're cooled, they're, you know, covered in sometimes gases or chemicals to prevent them from rotting. You know, these have no pesticides, no herbicides, no, you know, any kind of like sprays on them. You know, we might get an occasional, you know, pest in there, but I would rather, you know, deal with a couple little bugs on my food than to be, you know, ingesting, you know, who knows what kind of chemicals and what kind of effects that may have on us. So yeah, I would say just you know, I can't stress enough, if you have even just a tiny yard, you know, putting in a couple of fruit trees, some, you know, fruit bushes, it's like the most low-key, low-maintenance kind of thing you can do. You know, or the back to Eden style, like mulched beds. You guys, you know, have seen my previous videos, hopefully from last year. I'm hoping to get a similar, you know, good harvest this year. I will definitely keep you guys updated and show you, you know, what is growing. But yeah, I just wanted to share this, you know, can't wait to go and eat some of these at home. And yeah, I'll keep sharing with you guys in future videos, you know, when more stuff is growing. So hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Thanks for everybody's support, and see you in the next one. Bye.